All right, so let's prove that sine of pi minus x is equal to sine of x. You want to work the left or the right? Ooh, not a very straight line. The left. All right, I give. It's not going to be a straight line. So this is two angles being subtracted, isn't it? So it's our u and our v. So we got sine of u minus v, which tells us sine of u, which is pi, cosine of v, which is x, minus cosine of u, which is pi, times sine of v, which is x. Now what do we know about pi? It's a 0, -1. No, yes, you're right, -1, 0. So what is sine of pi? 0 times cosine of x minus, what's cosine of pi? -1 times sine of x. What's 0 times cosine of x? 0. So I'm just going to say it cancels there. And so what's -1 times sine of x? Well, yeah, I was going to say what's negative sine of x, but I have minus right there, right? So I have minus a -1 times sine of x, which is positive sine of x. And so we have proven that it is true. It's on your unit circle, right? Did you get memorized? All right, so let's prove that tangent of pi minus x is equal to negative tangent of x. So here's a u and a v because they're being subtracted. But tangent's got a little bit of a different formula. It's got that fraction in it, right? And I'm assuming you're going to want to work the left side. Am I wrong? I'm wrong? No. Okay. So the formula is tangent of u, which is pi, minus tangent of v, which is x, over 1 plus tangent of u, that's pi, times tangent of u, that is x. Now, we're still using pi, right? So we've still got that ordered pair. But we need to know tangent of pi. And so I'm just going to work that out over here real quick. What do you know about tangent when you know x and y? It's y over x. So tangent of pi would be y, which is 0, over x, which is -1, which is 0. So we know tangent of pi is going to be 0. So let's plug that in. So we have 0 minus tangent of x over 1 plus 0 times tangent of x. Everywhere I had a tangent of pi, I just put in 0. So when I subtract here, 0 minus tangent of x, it's just negative tangent of x, over 1 plus, well, 0 times tangent is 0, so we have negative tangent of x over, which is what we were after, right? So we have just proved that that was true.